Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We got Anaya here again. We did a half up, half down. So if you want to see how we did this and how we got this definition, continue watching. So it was definitely one of those days where I didn't really feel like talking through doing her hair. I was tired, the kids was getting on my nerves, and my hubby was as well. So anyway, I am putting her leave-in conditioner in her hair, and we're beginning to part her hair across so that we could do the half up, half down style. Her hair is wet, but it's not soaking wet. It's kind of like damp. So I'm starting off with detangling, and adding water makes a huge difference to your wash and go. If you watched any of my wash and go videos from before, then you already know that saturating your hair with water makes a huge difference in definition, especially for my type 4 curly hair girls. So we are now up to the part where we are almost finished with the back of her hair for the half up, half down style. Her curls are popping. She needs a protein treatment. Her curls are not as uniform as they usually are because she hasn't had a protein treatment in a while. Protein treatments make a huge difference for your elasticity and your curls popping. That's not a word, but I made it up. So what? Sue me. Okay, this is the easiest part is, like, Alexa, pause. The easiest part is slicking it. Make sure it's wet. It slicks better when it's wet. You see how it's slicking down easily. And I like to use heavy gels and a thick leave-in when doing her wash and go. Her hair responds really good to it. See the front? Very, 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 very slick. Because we used a heavy gel. We used Eco Style gel. And I'll take the scrunchie and I begin to put on the scrunchie. We don't make it too tight. We don't want too much tension. So I usually do like, this is not a regular scrunchie, it's a headband. So here, turn so they can see. Turn more in front. So it's very slick, very, very slick. So now, since the back is defined, turn around this way, turn this way. Since the back is defined, we are going to define the ponytail as well. So that's what we're doing next. More elongated here because we're doing the raking method. Of course it's going to shrink some, but this technique helps with elongation.
B2K and I miss a lot of hoes, but I don't play with them. I don't wanna lay with them. Wouldn't start my day with them. Wouldn't even share shade with them. They be ashy. This for my baby, she classy, yeah. Instead I'm fucking her back.
And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. Only one I want to run my own sweater. I told you I am down for the worst or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm forced to be down to see you love someone else. Girl, I be missing you, it's just not today. I really miss kissing you, girl, what's the plan?
Okay, so we got a cute style for back to school as well. This is a half up, half down. Smile for the camera. Ooh, it's fake. So yeah, we got definition. So turn around, let them see the definition. Woo! Woo, boy. Who got the juice? Who got the juice? Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the style that we did. Half up, half down. If you like what you see here today, you make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom, ring that bell, check out my live that I did. I did a Q&A so you can get to know me, and check out some other videos. But this is another easy style, half up, half down.